If you've blocked someone's phone number and now want to allow them to call or text you again, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to unblock someone on your Android phone in just a few simple steps. First, open the phone applications on your Android device. This is the app you normally use to make and receive calls. Next, tap the 3 vertical dots in the upper right corner of the screen to open the menu. From the list of options, tap Settings. In the Settings menu, look for and select Blocked Numbers. Here, you'll see a complete list of every phone number you've blocked on your device. Now find the number you want to unblock. Once you've located it, tap the X -D or trash icon next to the number. Depending on your Android phone's brand, the icon may look slightly different. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you want to unblock the number. Tap Unblock to confirm. That's it. The phone number has now been successfully unblocked. The person will be able to call and text you again from now on. Keep in mind that any calls or text messages they tried to send while they were blocked won't appear on your phone, but all future communication will come through as normal. If you're using a Samsung, Google Pixel, Motorola, OnePlus, Xiaomi, or another Android phone, the steps are nearly the same, although some menu names may look slightly different. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy Android tutorials.